Hey, John Thornhill here, and I'm here today to tell you why affiliate marketing is not what you think it is. Now, there's every chance if you're just starting out that your JVZoo account looks something like that. And there's every chance as well that if you've tried to get anything going, you've been told that affiliate marketing is the way to go because you don't have to deliver a product, you don't have to deal with customers, there's nothing, there's no customer service to deal with. All you have to do is collect the commissions and spend the money. Sounds great in theory, doesn't it? But there's a big problem with starting out doing affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you what that is, okay? So this is my product here. This is called Simple Traffic Solutions, and this is actually one of my best selling products, okay? So let's imagine this is you. You're going to be the affiliate, and let's imagine this is me. I am the product owner, the vendor, whatever you want to call me, okay? Basically what you do is you send me some traffic, and if that traffic converts into sales, you get a commission. Very simple model to follow, okay? But here's where the problems come in. You can only make money off the traffic you drive, okay? Off the sales you generate. There's nothing else you can do, okay? As an affiliate, you have to put the work in or you get zero results. But I'm the owner of the product. I've got hundreds, sometimes thousands of different affiliates sending me traffic, okay? So if you imagine this for a moment, you're competing with all of these other affiliates. Now, one of the affiliates might be an expert at Facebook marketing, so they know how to send me traffic through Facebook. One of the affiliates might be an expert at SEO, so they send me traffic from Google. One of the marketers might be an expert blogger, so they send me traffic from their blog. I don't have to learn any of that stuff. All I have to do is put a really good offer together that is attractive for affiliates, and they're going to send me traffic. Now, I'm sure you've heard as well that the money is in the list, okay? You've been told probably time and time again that you need to be building a list. You can't really do that as an affiliate marketer, okay? I mean, there's certain little ways to make that happen, but in a nutshell, you're sending me traffic, I'm the one building the list. I'm building a customer list from the effort you make. So let me ask you a question. What side would you rather be on? Would you rather be on this side competing with all the other affiliates, or would you rather be on this side where you can literally sit back and let the affiliates do all the work? Now, I know what side I'd rather be on. I'd rather be on this side. And that's what this workshop is all about, okay? Now, you must understand, if you want to become a major success online, you simply must be selling your own products and services, okay? This is something I've been doing successfully since 2004, and that's what I want to share with you, okay? Now, I just want to show you here, this is my JVZoo account, my main JVZoo account. I actually went past $1 million recently, but I want you to notice something here. I did $565,000 as a vendor, so that's selling products. But I also did $435,000 as an affiliate. That's promoting products as an affiliate, just like I explained. Now, you might be thinking, well, John, you've just told me that affiliate marketing isn't really the way to go. Well, the truth is when you're starting out, it's not. But once you start to build a list from your products and you build a customer list, you can then put yourself in a position to start generating huge affiliate commissions, okay? So my advice is forget going down the affiliate marketing route when you start out. Go down the product creation route, okay? Now, I know for a fact, some of you are going to say, but John, I couldn't learn how to create a product. Who would want to buy something from me? What would I learn, etc., etc.? Well, let me tell you, it's not as hard as you think it is. Once you spent a couple of days doing niche research, you're in a position where you know more than probably 99% of other people online. Plus, building out a site these days is so easy. We've got page builders, we've got squeeze page builders, we've got membership site builders, and plus JVZoo make it super easy to put an offer together and build an affiliate program. It's very easy compared to what it was a long time ago. Just a few years ago, most of this was very hard to do. So there's no excuse for thinking you can't do this, okay? Now, I'm going to show you on the workshop how to create an automated profitable sales funnel, okay? Automated. So once it's set up, you literally just let it run itself, and it can make you money literally for years and years to come, okay? So when people say, can you really make money online for doing very little work? Well, no, you have to put some work in first. But once the work's put in, you can literally make money in your sleep from your automated sales funnels. And that's what I'm going to be teaching you, okay? And also, when you attend, you're actually going to get my very best selling product, Simple Traffic Solutions, to sell as your own. So you're instantly going to have something that you can sell. All you have to do is sign up for the workshop and attend, okay? So everything you need to know is on this page. Remember, This is something I've been doing successfully since 2004, and I've generated millions of dollars on sales because of this. I'm going to teach you absolutely everything I know. So just simply scroll down, get signed up, and I'll hopefully see you on the next available workshop.